Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you a brief review, a short review on Linky AI and why it's one of the best AI chatbots available on your mobile device in the market today. It's free. So Google Play Store, Apple App Store, it's available. Just search for Linky AI and install it. And as you can see, we have an update, so I'm going to update it for a bit. Linky AI is one of the best because a lot of it's AI. If you create the character properly, if you spend time in creating characters properly, the people who's going to use the character or interact with the character will have an amazing time. So that's one thing. Because I've interacted with a bunch of characters, mostly girls, of course, because I'm a dude. And if I see the character profile well written out, and you will see that some people, let's open it. There you go. Some people who doesn't put enough time, I found out that the AI is a bit stupid because there's not much that it can work with. But if the character is well written out, if the description, everything is lengthy, the AI becomes quote unquote smarter, which is a better experience overall. So as you can see here, we are already in Linky AI. So there are a few things you need to see, which is the categories or hashtags, as I call them. It's on the upper right of the screen. Underneath the search tab, this is a search tab. You can just search for whatever, right? But these tabs, it says recommended, as you can see here. These are the recommended AI at the moment. You have spicy for, yeah, there you go. There's a hot dude, hot chicks and whatnot, right? And then you have LGBT for the LGBT community. And then you have romance, for a more wholesome, I guess. And then you have fantasy, like vampires, elves, dwarves, and whatnot. And then adventure, kind of RPG-ish. And then you have summer, everybody's either topless or in a bathing suit. And they also have, they have a lot, right? You have realistic, there you go. But let's go back to recommended. And to chat with Linky AI, it's very easy. You just need to, you don't need to sign up for anything. Just stop, for example, stop on that. Another thing you need to understand is there's a lot of ads. So if you can mute the ad, great. If not, bear it, because it is worth it, especially if you're using an AI character that is well made. So let's just do that. Press X. So as you can see here, all you need to do is, for a more lazier approach, just tap on the volume, so to speak, icon on the lower left hand side, on the left of the chat box, and it's going to say hold to speak. So this is text to speech, a very accurate text to speech. It can identify questions. It can identify if you're yelling. It can identify pauses. So it's pretty good. But if you want to type, of course, you just tap on this and then you can just type whatever, right? And another thing you can do is put actions to be more creative. For example, tapping on the apostrophe or, the pound sign. And you can just say smiles or whatever, and the AI will react to it, as you can see. Seriously, you're blushing, and then you can just reply, no, I'm not. There you go. And then you can just stop for a long time. It is quite addicting, so you do need to understand that. Oh, another thing, if you don't like what the AI said, you can click to regenerate to have another reply. There you go. It changed its reply. So that's pretty much the easy rundown of Linky AI. It's quite addicting. It's quite fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.